Ribatisela Mafhungo a SABC ubva pano Auckland Park, Johannesburg. Twi Mafhungo mahulwane nga chino chifhinga kena.
I point out that if you continue with National Political Killing Stars team focusing in KZN, you definitely are duplicating.
Minister wa mapurisa Ramadubani oketiao awera bosenzo mtunu bari mashirini eaba akushimiswa kaketika nyoyo ketiao ya urana maburayo apolitiki kana PKTT oba odaresa.
The United States has said that South Africa will not be invited. We have not seen that in writing yet.
President Thabo Bester bari America aliatuba wizara ya ofisi uriliko si nganda lino shango kamitangano ya G20. Chanda cha president wa shango na ANC wa Paul Mashatile bakotenda uri mashireni ono sekana chote ka lihoro la ANC. Vundu la Limpopo lililogera chote makao chere ya chipuga cha Carling Cup kati ya Orlando Pirates na Marumo Gallants Rwandani wapita mkaba na mgibera. Nda rimadikwana ribatisela Mafhungo pano ka SABC 2, SABC Plus na Kalihai. Minister wa mapurisa bani baba madubani oketia wawere bosenzo mtunu bodwa apu bawuziseswa nga commission ya madlanga na musi wa mtunu barena oketikanyo yoketia ya mapurisa ya urwa na mabura ya politiki yoba ihone fezi zo ijera chipinga chirafuri kono purecheza kamurando wayo wa utotoma one wa babura yo labo msawe nkosi mtunu ngwa grimbiri fumi maro. Minister wa mtunu bari abakofare azwabudi nga chibaro chanta cha machireni ani akoshimiswa kaketikanya iyo ya PKTT wene bari machireni ayo manji hakubiyaza ngandira yo fanerao.
I may as well indicate here that when PKTT was established, it was 2018, it followed an incident in which wherein Msawe Nkosi Mchunu had just been murdered. But to date, we are yet to secure or see a conviction arising from that murder. Let me move on. And I do want to say that is not necessarily to say personally I blame NPKTT for that, because they're part of SABC and it merely indicates expenditure patterns vis-a-vis the actual results and so on. There is then a question of inequities in SABC between task teams and between units. And I point out that if you continue with National Political Killing Stars team focusing in KZN, you definitely are duplicating, in as much as you may not want to accept that as a fact. But
Chanda cha mkomishinari wa mapurisa oimiswa ushuma Julius Mkwanazi bakotendo ri bana bushaka tini na ramabindu ani aba mafungoni bavusket matala nganda izo bakotendo ri bochimbiza kana bochimbiza zo ngwaliswa ziguru yi za bavusket matala nga pasi yaketikanya mapurisa bakorea dorobo ya kuruleni kana EMPD bo Mkwanazi babuziseswa nga commission ya madlanga maorgana na ndira ye guru izo za matala za ngwaliswa ngayo fezi na ozoraro Bari auna cheba kakachone.
You can clearly see that the section that deals with the particulars of the seller, Mr. Matlala has completed that section.
Yes, I've said this. I agree. These are the documents. Yes.
So you would have obtained this from him?
Yes, I've said so.
And taken them to Christine?
Yes. No. When we were there, he said I've obtained from him. Yes. So that the Christian can start registration plates. And I agree on that.
Commissioner Mkwanazi,
I agree on that.
I've owned a vehicle before and I've transferred a vehicle to somebody else before.
No, I'm saying on these papers, I agree on that.
You need these documents
to
facilitate the transfer.
Yes.
And these documents you would have obtained from Mr. Ket Matlala.
Oh, yes, this
And
is so.
you would have then given them to Christine as part of the bundle that he needed to change the ownership of the vehicles from CAT services to EMPD.
You're 100% correct.
Yes.
lino shango la Afrika Tshipembe alinga doshira muyama ngwa mashango ri adibviseka mitangano ya shepa kana mutangano wa barangapanda ba mashango ya G20 nga pasi ya president ya shango la America. President Thabo Bester barina shango alinga dobiya la jira pasi kana ufara ngwa mashango ngandira inonyadzisa maifi abo akodaone musilino shango lichiko choterwa nga maifi nga shango la America kati na bushaka buni yako tenga bukati hamashango ya mabili.
Muhuso wa president wa la United States wa Donald Trump wani disoswara ulawileza Afrika Tshipembe kaurube mishumo yote ine ya kurangira kuangano ya G20 yangi Miami kala US mwakani. Fezi president wa lino Cyril Ramaphosa wari abangu didawiza na Trump ngandira isa 25 iyo.
The United States has said that South Africa will not be invited. We have not seen that in writing yet. We've just heard the media publications. We are yet to receive it in writing, and we will deal with that when it comes. We are, as South Africa, a fully fledged member of the G20, and we have held a very successful G20, and this is not only being said by us, it is said by many other people around the world, and saying that South Africa's presidency of the G20 was a very successful G20 process, and the declaration that was adopted is also a forward-looking declaration which will help to lead to many changes around the issues that we identified.
Ramaphosa bari budifari ya Trump abuko baedeze na uti amanda ubache bamba Mafhungo asiya bukuma auri ona maburo ya bache na kalino.
All we want really as South Africa is to be treated as an equal sovereign country, a country that respects other countries, a country that fosters the success and prosperity of other countries. That's who we are. We wish no country ill in the world, and in fact, as a country, we don't have enemies, we just have friends, and we want to advance the friendship relationships with all countries in the world.
Ramaphosa bani baumzura panda otofarela wa sak wananga bona ledi pando saboni mkonanyi sachipida chawiyedza budziki ngikhala Tanzania. Izwi zvikotevera pfudzungule ngamurawo wa khetho one wa mahoro wa politiki onazvo zhendedzi la khetho lisichimbidza zvavudi kha khetho dza shango ili.
Upungudzia mashileni ngomu khali horo la ANC mabaribari awuri president Thabo Ramaphosa bangabviswa chidzuluni khonadzeo za usiwa nda leno shango mutangano wa G20 nge America kati na Mafhungo ane akwa mabudifari ya mirado ya kabinete ndima ngo Mafhungo echanda cha president Paul Mashati abapindura bo Mashati lebo fara mutangano machiruni na musi na abadzangano la Mafhungo paramendeni. Mahoro thea politiki ya kuriba ketoni za maspara ngwao dao izwi zweto diweya uribu njia mimaspara umona na shango ikachimo sishavudi cha mashirini zora rabo mashatile musi bachipindura mbuso nga chimo cha mashirini kali horo la ANC obo pindura zitebera hao.
The Treasurer General is struggling there because it means less funding for the party. We do get funding from the state, but it's not enough, and that's a challenge. We're engaging with the Minister of Finance to look at increasing funding for political parties.
Vo mashatile bari utobache ya pasiswa murai wori maoro adibadze chimo cha mashirini paramendeni zosia barambedzi bono bana gonova la urambedza mahoro zora rabo mashatile bari aungadambi wanga mbambe abaranga panda kamtangana bakurugute orushaka fedzi komiti kurani orushaka yopfanga chikwekwe cha umino la president Ramaphosa.
The president raised this matter himself in the NEC that he has come across that, but obviously the NEC decided that such a move will not be supported. The president has been elected. He will stay until he finishes his term.
Naho shango la Afrika Tshipembe ḽo vhonala ḽo shuma zwavhuḓi kha u swielela vhueni ha G20 fhano hayani, fhedzi nndwa dza ḽino na la US dzi vhonala dzi tshi kha ḓi vha kule na u fhela.
But of course, attending would mean that we'll have to be given visas to get to the US. So if they don't give us visas, we won't be able to arrive there. There was a question also of whether the other partners in the G20 are supporting us. Yes, indeed. All the other countries are supporting South Africa's participation.
Musi vha tshi vhudziswa nga vhaminista vhane vha khou kundelwa u ḓivhonadza kha komiti dza phalamennde, Vho Mashatile vha ri hu ḓo dzhiwa maga a vhukando o khwaṱhaho. Vhaandauli ya vhutshutshisi ya lushaka kana NPA vha khou humbela khothe khulwane ya Pietermaritzburg uri i bvele phanḓa na tsengo ya president wa kale Vho Jacob Zuma ine ya kwama thengiselano ya muvhuso ya zwithavhane. Izwi zwi khou ḓa musi Vho Zuma khathihi na khamphani ya u bveledza zwithavhane ya France ya Thales vho ita khumbelo ya uri milandu yavho i phumuliwe.
The outcome has been that the administration of justice has been brought into disrepute because it does appear that the administration of justice is incapable of bringing this case to trial. A way has to be found out of the conundrum caused by the Stalingrad tactic of delaying the case by interlocutory application after another on hopeless grounds, all dismissed, but all of them serve one purpose and one purpose only, and that is to delay the trial.
Every accused person, an accused person is a person who has not been convicted. If it was dealing with every convicted person, it would have said so. But once it says every accused person has a right to appeal, then it's talking about these two parties. And that constitutional right is sacrosanct. It is one where, my Lord, the only way your Lordship could limit that right is if there was a Section 36 limitation analysis. That has not been done by our learned friends. So that's the end.
Arichibuya mavenguleni tsengo ya Thabo Bester na dokotela Bonandi Phama Goodmana iko jina hapo kote khulwane ya Free State Machero vha songo taela ri a vhuya zwino zwino. Ri khou dovha hafhu vha ṱanganedza kha mafhungo fhano kha SABC 2, SABC Plus na kale hai. U thetsheleswa tsengo thangeli ya u shavha dzhele ya vhathu Thabo Bester hu ḓo vha hone matshelo nga ḽavhuṱanu khothe khulwane ya Free State lwa u fhedzisela musi vha tshi senga Thabo Bester khathihi na muhwelelo ngavho ane a vha dokotela Bonandi Phama Goodmana vho ḓo vhudza khothe uri vha kha ḓi vha vho lindela khaṱulo kha dziṅwe khumbelo dzavho zwine zwa nga fhedza zwi khou kwama tsengo iyi yavho. Vho Magudumana khotsi ya Vho Zolile Sekeleni khathihi na vhalindi vha kale vha dzhele Vho Sinowe Matswara Vho Tebukho Dipholo Vho Tiego Makhotsa khathihi na vhaṅwe vha khou hweswa milandu ya u pfhi vho thusa Thabo Bester u shavha dzhele u fhisa khathihi na milandu ya u pfukha milayo ya zwitumbu. Thabo Bester vho shavha dzhele ya Mangaung nga ṅwedzi wa Shundunthule miṅwaha miraru yo fhelaho.
Musi khothe khulwane ya Free State tshi ḓo dzula nga ḓuvha ḽa u fhedzisela phanḓa musi tshi awela huna mafhungo ane vha kha ḓi fanela u aladza uri khothe i kone u vhona uri i bvele phanḓa nga nḓilaḓe phanḓa dzulo ḽa tsengo thangeli. Vho Magudumana vha khou ṱoḓa u farwa havho ngei Tanzania zwi tshi pfi zwi vha siho mulayoni. Khothe ya ndayotewa yo thudzela kule khumbelo iyo yavho.
Gleaning from the record, you would notice that on the previous appearance we made the same submissions that we are waiting directions, and even the status quo remains.
If there can be communication sent to Constitutional Court, there can be communication sent to Motion Court in our application, so that we finish with these things, we are able to proceed with the trial. Because the country is waiting to hear the truth, and we want the country to know the truth.
I cannot interfere with that. It's your decision, but it is in the interest of doctors that they consult today and that they do their consultations properly. I will then make the call and I will make the order that you make the accused number 7, available until 2 o'clock.
Thabo Bester, bo Magudumana, na bo Zanda Moyo, vote bachengomo, ngeno mabaumbulelwa kamulandu uyo, vandanga beili.
Zwino ribadisela mafhungo a zwa ikonomi une randa ya vhonala yo dzika musi tshivhambedzwa na maṅwe masheleni mahulwane a ḽifhasi. Dollar rand is 16 rands 96 cents, bond only 22 rands 65 cents, euro only 19 rands 79 cents, pula ya Botswana ndi 1 rand 18 cents. Mikobe phala JSE ipasi. Cars verza musuku ndi 4,201, platinum 1,634, oil isingokurekiswaho ndi $62.62 ngafagi. Abalanguli ba muvhuso wa vundu la Limpopo vari vana pulupela uri vha ḓo bvela phanḓa na u kona u shela khathihi na u tshimbidza mitambo mihulwane ezwi zwi khou vha hone nga murahu ha musi musanda wa vundu iḽo hune ha vha ḓorobo ya Polokwane i tshi khou shelela makhaulotshele a tshiphuga tsha bola tsha Carling Black Label vhukati ha Orlando Pirates na Maruma Gallants luvhanḓeni luswa lwa Peter Mokaba mba matshelo nga Mugivhela. Lwa u fhedzisela musi vundu la Limpopo li tshi fara makhaulotshele ndi miṅwaha ya ṱahe yo fhelaho. Ramafhungo washu Lutendo Bobodi u khou ri ḓisela muvhigo u tevhelaho.
Stadium cha Peter Mokaba tsho ḓo tshiswiyelwa mitambo mihulwane u bva nga wa gidimbili fumi. Tshi dovha hafhu tsha vha haya uvhili ha thimu ikunga vhaṱaleli vhanzhi ya Kaizer Chiefs. Vha muvhuso wa Limpopo vha ri vha ḓo ita zwinzhi u swielela mitambo minzhi mihulwane.
As the province, when we go in as a province, we've got a louder voice than when you leave the city on its own to go and beat. So that is what we've decided. It's not going to be only the PSL Cup final, even other national sports and international. You have seen last week we hosted Zamalek and Kaizer Chiefs. I was jokingly saying to Kev, President on Sunday, the following day, to say, you saw how we fill up the stadium. So can we have more and more games to be brought to Polokwane? And he did agree. So to say, we need to work jointly together, and that is what we've decided as a 7th administration.
Tikiti za mutambo dzorengiswa dza fhela, mapholisa vha ri muthu asina tikiti asongo vhuya linga sendela tsini stadium.
If one does not have a ticket, one must stay at home as such. The selling of tickets and buying of tickets thereof from ticket peddlers, it's illegal. So we wish to call upon the peace-loving people of this province to ensure that they don't come here when they don't have tickets.
Ba masipala wa Polokwane vho ita zwikirini zwihulwane zwa u ṱalela bola phakhani.
We have created that fan park at the civic center. Just at the corner of Thabo Bester and Landros Mare, next to Jack Potter's Hall, at the civic offices, there is a beautiful park. I don't think there is any city in South Africa now as we speak with such a beautiful park. So come there and see the big screens there, relax with your family, because you do not have a ticket to come anywhere close to the stadium.
Ba PSL ba re batho ba swike nga tshifhinga u thivhela u rengisa mutambo.
People must arrive early, let this event be a success so that we can come back again to this province. We don't want to have complaints post this final.
Mutambo ḓo takutshedza nga wari ya vhurathi nga madekwana. Lutendo Bobodi, SABC News, Polokwane.
ubva kando ya komunara ado amadekwa na budhi Mafhungo a Tshivenda awonera machero dzibulwa na njerere uyatevera na mucho ndende.
Lokora kwa tani zonezo zuri kula from church mari kwa nanu ya kala machero ndakoro so kama msiki zimvula za shizi kona zili kona zo ndimanda kaswa zo vundla northwest katazo hospital zo vundla northern kiponi mvula zizi kutopara zona kila zikona zikufika zikufera kapa mvunda labori ndede ula katina hospital zori zo vodo pazia hospital zo kobela arona zinzo kulewa ni mchwa muya ngoro halo pizza tikala machero kutopara wono mvula zizi kutopaza vira pana nazo ndimanda kaswa zori zo vundla northwest vundla mpobalanga katina mvula kwa natal katika hospital zori zo vundla first katina hospital zo chipembe zo vundla labori Gauteng mataka hospital so kana shangwa mchwa makola sokutawana wote woni amvudzi ziko dopora zona kila ziko frefera hospital zore ndizwa chipembe pizza udibana tsidzo dzinza wone noko sipetso mvura dzine zodo sikupetso kwa madumbu hospital zone ndizwa vundula northwest kacha vundula borenda northern cape ndi chakala machero kudopora ro tsidzo dzidzi dzidone rakona mvura dzidzidla dzinazo kupirika za madumbu kila ziko na hospital zokata shango kati na mcho wampiso kwa rauni angasiona kwanza dzamuna madaka hospital zore ndi zwa ukobera pizza zone ndo panda ramba delo sambrotro mpiso uchukaronga degrees celsius manolta afrika shimeri kotoma vundula shuli vundula Gauteng ndakuri kezi mvula zikona zikona ka vundula Gauteng pizza za 26 plus Dorian Pretoria za 25 Broken Spray kata 25 podi wore ndia Springs zer chaka vundula and vundula wore vundula Limpopo kwa nane pamvura kezi zdozi kuna ziko ferfa kazo pizza so vundula pizza zaita 31 pala Musina za 29 pala Liphala kati na 27 podi wore ndia Polokwane chaka vundula wore vundula Mpumalanga nane pala kwa mchana wore udopisa kuma pala skogoza kala macharo za suka 31 za 27 pala Mombela kati na 26 pala Carolina une mvura kezi zikona zdozi kwa ferpa panda na ferfa kazo pizza zinzo vundula nelo pizza kavundla wore vundla kwa Natal nane par kona mcho ne wore bomvula tsongota dzina dziko frefera hospital zinzo vundeli pezi zaita 37 pala ulundi za 32 frehead katina 35 pone wore ndia Richards Bay richpera panda chaka vundeli wore ndivundla Eastern Cape nane par kona wore mchamvura zida zikuna ngora pezi zaita 35 pala Mthatha za 26 East London katina 27 pone wore ndia Makanda chaka vundeli wore ndivundla Western Cape nane par kona mchoro wore dopisa kuma pala Clean Williams za suka 35 za 36 pala Beaufort West kati na 24 pala Cape Agalas kavundela wore ndivundla Northern Cape nane par kwa mchoro wore udopisa kuma kala machiro za suka 32 pala Kuruman za 32 Kimberley kati na 39 upone wore ndia Uppington mvula kizila skona zido ziko frefera kavundela nelo kala machiro honia chaka vundela wore ndivundla Free State kwa hospital zinzo vundeli mvula zikona zo nemanda oneza kuita 31 pala Bothaville za 26 Sasolburg kati na 27 Frankfurt kati na 25 upone wore ndia Bethlehem machazo zondo butipetsa vundla shilo ndivundla Northwest ndakora wona mchwamvura ziza zo nemanda hospital zinzo vundeli pezi zaita 28 pala Potchefstroom zari 29 pala Ottosdale kati na 31 pone ndia Freiburg matanga ndo ngareza vakata vala mucho zozora faro zoni marekora anotire uda usiku wa wodi da